It's this vibe I feel. Already you're beginning to talk so unsteady, getting sweaty, now your problems are so petty. My raps are profound, yours make you look like a clown. This place is a war ground, your only hope is to follow my sound. So what's your excuse now? You're Pinocchio, your nose grows so long. I'm like a flippant teachable one special feature. I tell the truth, I ain't talking crap either. Look in the mirror, trying so hard to reach your goals. Promise I won't deceive you, but it's kinda hard to believe you when you tell me that I need you. Oh my God, please, ya, I need to take a breather. I would've made it with or without ya. This ain't even about ya. So many regrets, the only way to fix it is to do your best. I said forget the rest that claim here all this time that they were on your side quicker than the drop of a dime. I swallowed my pride, more sour than a lime. I got this on the ride, but over time I got a magic vibe that brought me to my prime. I finally made it inside, able to say I never hide. Let me tell you my intentions, based on my conceptions. I have a list of impressions and a few suggestions. I'm just getting started soon, I'll have some inventions. Now I'm blasting you with apprehension. You're stuck with no prevention, I have your full attention. I'm back for revenge. Do I have any questions? Yeah, my kid's on suspension, no sections that you mention. I'm gonna need some direction, I'm not good with comprehension. It's the drugs, I think he needs an intervention. I don't know, that'll create a lot of damn tension. Get out of here, don't argue with me clear. I'll have you on my hood like last week when I hit that deer. How's my advice appear? I know it's a school year, but you're stuck in first gear. I mean you got a career, but you owe to Grand Frontier. Take a look in the mirror, your risk is real severe, but it goes in one ear and out the other with no fear. I volunteer to get off of this subject, disappear. I get shocked out with an electric chair. Either way, I don't care.